Recently Star released a story about a boy that couldn't find his birth papers and whatever, and somebody put it out there that this little boy, well, not little boy, big man, looked like a little boy that was missing 16 years ago. So I'm gonna get into the story and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions. And it says, having seen his story in Tuesday Star, several readers were of the opinion that Junior Page might be related to Janet Hardy, a St. Anne businesswoman whose son went missing 16 years ago. The issue came to the forefront when a reader posted photos of Page's story and the article on Hardy and her son on a popular Daydream Instagram blog. Big up to Daydream. Social media users were convinced that there was some resemblance between Page and Hardy's son. According to Page, 2 years ago he found out he was not registered at birth by his mother. Page does not know his biological father, and his stepfather couldn't assist with finding additional information about his family history either. That's very weird. He has tried getting a birth certificate, but the process has been tedious. When the Weekend Star contacted Hardy earlier this week, she admitted that Paige may have some resemblance to her side of the family and stated she is willing to do a DNA to prove if he was indeed her son, her long-lost son. However, Paige said he strongly believes that he is not Hardy's child, but he's willing to accommodate a DNA test. Me I go do it just to satisfy her, but really and truly all me want is my birth certificate. Me no want no handouts, me just want a good work, and me have plans of going to in the army, he said. Hardy, however, told the Weekend Star that when she read the newspaper and saw the social media comments, she instantly felt nervous. I hardly slept since I saw the papers. I just want closure. I really don't know if this young man is my son, but a lot of persons are saying he does resemble my little boy, and I believe he may in some sense. However, if it turns out that he's not my child, I'm still willing to offer my assistance, she said. Hardy's son, Roger King, mysteriously disappeared from the beach after she stepped about 10 feet away from him to answer a call. A group of persons searched the entire beach, but he was not found. Divers from a nearby resort were summoned and spent hours at sea looking for the boy, but there was no sign of him nor any clue about what happened to him. Hardy said she has made numerous attempts to locate him, only to be scammed numerous times by unscrupulous persons claiming to know where his whereabouts. So basically, this woman lost her son 16 years ago, and then this boy comes in the paper and said that he can't find any birth paper for himself and his family can't assist him in finding his birth certificate or any of that stuff so he can get a job and actually be a progressive, successful person in Jamaica society. So they're correlating the two stories and saying that the boy that disappeared 16 years ago looked like this boy now that's in the newspaper. And the lady was saying that she's willing to help and she's willing to do a DNA test to see if it's actually her son. And quite frankly, I think that she is going to probably be disappointed, because I know in Jamaica it's very hard for a lot of people to have their birth papers, just because of the updated system and how much they're costing to get your birth certificate now and all that. And back in the day, a lot of people didn't register their children, even though that may be hard to believe. That's what a lot of people did. Some people even have them pick near them yard, because I know my great-grandmother used to deliver children, and registering them used to be a long and tedious process. So I hope that this mystery actually gets solved, and if it's her son, I hope her heart can rest, because I'm sure she thinks about her son daily. Okay, and this goes to show that when you have children, you need to be very, very careful and vigilant anywhere you are. I know that in Jamaica we feel like everybody at Jamaica, we friend, they're gonna watch out for our kids But we have unscrupulous people there that will do stuff like this, like take people's kills, sell them off into sex trafficking and prostitution and all that. So we need to be very careful. Even if you're answering your phone, please keep your eyes on your child. Don't walk away from your child. Tell the person that you're with you are busy and you have to call them back. It doesn't matter what it is. Your child's safety comes first. So I hope that this case goes solved. I hope everything happens. I hope this boy gets his birth papers, even if this is not his mom, and this woman actually help him out. Comment what you think in this story. Do you think that this boy is related to the mother? I'm gonna put side-by-side pictures of the boy that went missing and of the boy that was in the papers recently, so you can see that they actually really resemble each other, and that's why people were saying that they look a lot alike. So comment what you think about this story in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.